What's up, guys? Got another box from Privada. Very excited to try this. Today's EDC, that Gerber. You guys are definitely gonna see a review on this soon. So let's give this a quick open. Let's have some tape. Both sides. Tape on the front. Alright. Close our knife here, put it off to the side. There's our cigars, sealed up. Our paper, which by the way, I really enjoyed reading last time. This tells you the cigars, tasting notes, a little bit about them. Pretty interesting stuff. So, let's get right into this. Alright. Sorry for the tap dancing, that's Gus walking by. Bovita pack. Must have, right? Alright, so here's the sticks. So here's the first stick, and I have to say I love this band. Alright, so referring to our paper, this is a Room 101 Death Bucket exclusive, rolled in 2017, banded in 2018, aged 2 years and 2 months. Like I say, probably the coolest cigar band that I've ever seen to date, honestly. Hilarious and awesome. Alright, next up, looks like a Padilla. Again, referencing the paper, it's a Padilla 1932 Corona exclusive. It says rolled at the Races Cubanas in Honduras. Very interesting. Alright, very cool. I do actually like some of the smaller cigar sizes as well. Pretty cool. And the last one, a cigar from Kuwait. It says Beyond Cigar. Pretty interesting. So, referencing the paper, it says the Kuwait Diplomat cigar for Beyond Cigar made by Coffee 1901 for Kuwaiti diplomats. So, unless you are a Kuwaiti diplomat or part of the Privada Cigar Club, you'll probably never try this cigar. So, I mean, just really, really interesting stuff. Obviously, super exclusive, all three of them. So that is really neat. 3 interesting cigars. I'll probably have this Padilla first. But yeah, I mean, so far just really digging the club. Wanted to do another unboxing for people who are interested in trying it out. If you happen to be part of this club, I'd love for you to put your notes down below on the cigars that you've gotten, you know, what you thought of them. I just like the, you know, the fact that everything's so exclusive. Like specifically the Kuwaiti cigar. Never saw it before, never heard of it, probably never would have heard of it. All right, so it's a really special chance to try a couple random cigars that you'll probably never see. Anyway, that's it for now. Just an unboxing video. Hope you guys have an awesome day, and I will see you tomorrow with another video. Take care.